product we all love, the Mac. Like we just saw, the Mac inspires us to be creative, to be productive, and to do the best work of our lives. We continue to push the Mac forward. It has been completely transformed by Apple Silicon with its game-changing performance, advanced technologies, and industry-leading power efficiency. Apple Silicon has driven the creation of the strongest and most capable lineup in the history of the personal computer. And this transformation has been especially profound for MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. The remarkable efficiency of Apple Silicon has given them incredible performance, extraordinary battery life, and unprecedented capabilities, all in amazingly compact designs. They are the best in the industry, by far. Tonight, we're introducing a new family of breakthrough chips and bringing them to the world's best pro laptop, MacBook Pro. Here's Johnny to tell you more.
Welcome to my lab. Apple Silicon has completely redefined the Mac laptop experience. Every aspect of its architecture is designed for performance and power efficiency. Our state-of-the-art designs pack tremendous performance and capabilities into a very small chip, which is ideal for our amazing laptops. The industry-leading power efficiency of Apple Silicon results in extraordinary battery life and phenomenal performance, whether you're plugged in or not. And with advanced technologies like the unified memory architecture, neural engine, and media engine, Macs can do things no other laptops can do. Tonight we're doing something we haven't done before, as we bring our latest technologies to a broader set of users more rapidly than ever. We're launching the next generation of Apple Silicon for the Mac by debuting 3 breakthrough chips at the same time. Introducing M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max. They feature a number of groundbreaking technologies and show how far Apple Silicon for the Mac has come since the debut of the M1 family. To start, they are the first chips for a personal computer built using the industry-leading 3nm technology. Utilizing state-of-the-art extreme ultraviolet lithography, 3nm technology creates transistors that are so small you could fit 2 million of them in the cross-section of a human hair. We use these cutting-edge transistors to advance every component of these new chips to deliver increased performance and new features to every chip in the family. The biggest advancement comes with the GPU. The M3 family of chips introduces a next-generation GPU that takes the largest leap forward in graphics architecture ever for Apple Silicon. It starts with a new microarchitecture that has a breakthrough feature we call dynamic caching, an industry first. In a traditional graphics architecture, software determines the amount of local GPU memory that's allocated to upcoming tasks at compile time. This results in reserving the same amount of memory for every task based on the needs of the single most demanding task, which means the GPU is underutilized, especially with complex programs. In our next-generation GPU, local memory gets dynamically allocated in hardware in real time. So only the exact amount of memory that is needed is used for each task. This dramatically increases the average utilization of the GPU, which significantly increases performance for the most demanding pro apps and games. This is an industry first, transparent to developers, and the cornerstone of our new GPU architecture. This next-generation GPU also brings new rendering features to Apple Silicon, like hardware-accelerated mesh shading. Mesh shading brings greater capability and efficiency to geometry processing, enabling more visually complex scenes. Finally, the new GPU architecture brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing to the Mac for the first time. Ray tracing models the physical properties of light as it interacts with a scene, enabling games to render more accurate shadows and reflections to create more realistic environments. And Pro 3D rendering apps can produce stunning ray-traced visuals faster than ever. In fact, the combination of hardware-accelerated ray tracing and the new graphics architecture allows Pro apps to deliver up to 2.5 times faster rendering performance than the M1 family of chips. This is a monstrous improvement for the most demanding graphics tasks. This new GPU architecture is a breakthrough and will bring a whole new level of graphics performance to the Mac. Now let's look at the M3 family's next-generation CPU cores. The performance cores are up to 30% faster than the M1 family, while maintaining their fantastic power efficiency. And the efficiency cores take an even bigger leap in performance for many typical tasks, up to 50% faster. We've added these architecture and performance improvements while maintaining our industry-leading performance per watt. Let's look at how far we've come since the M1. This architecture is able to deliver the same multi-threaded CPU performance as M1 with just half the power, and the GPU is able to deliver the same performance as the M1 using nearly half the power as well. These are tremendous gains in performance per watt. Now, when we compare it against the latest 12-core PC laptop chip, it delivers the same CPU performance using just 1/4 of the power. And when we compare it to the GPU performance of that chip, it delivers the same performance using just 1/5 of the power. It's incredible. M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max also have a faster and more efficient neural engine. That is a breathtaking 60% faster than the M1 family, making AI even faster while keeping data on device to preserve privacy. The M3 family has also our advanced media engine for hardware acceleration of the most popular video codecs. And now it includes support for everyone, enabling power-efficient playback of streaming video from YouTube, Netflix, and other services. The state-of-the-art technologies in the M3 family of chips result in a huge leap forward for Apple Silicon for the Mac. And with our scalable architecture, we tailor each M-series chip for different user needs, delivering best-in-class features to every user, starting with the M3 chip, which delivers phenomenal performance for our most popular systems. It features an 8-core CPU and our next-generation 10-core GPU, and is up to 65% faster than M1. M3 Pro scales up that design with increased capabilities for users who need even more performance. It has a 12-core CPU, an 18-core GPU, and is up to 40% faster than M1 Pro. And finally, M3 Max takes it even further to deliver a tremendous leap in performance for the most demanding Pro workloads. It features a 16-core CPU and a 40-core GPU, and it now supports up to a massive 128 GB of unified memory, enabling AI developers to work with even larger transformer models with billions of parameters. M3 Max is up to 80% faster than M1 Max. That's a giant leap in performance in just 2 years. So that's the groundbreaking M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max. With 3nm technology, a next-generation GPU architecture, a higher performance CPU, faster neural engine, and support for even more unified memory, they're the most advanced chips ever built for a personal computer. Now, to tell you about the incredible new products that get these new chips, I'll hand it over to John.
We're thrilled to introduce the 3rd generation of M-series chips. Their tremendous performance and power efficiency take MacBook Pro to a whole new level. Our vision for MacBook Pro is to deliver extraordinary performance and remarkable capabilities with